Introducing the 2016 Volkswagen Golf HL 1.2 TC M6F5 door 110 HP in pristine white. This estate vehicle is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.2-liter petrol engine, coupled with a smooth manual transmission, packed with comfort and luxury features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and a refrigerated storage compartment. This Golf ensures a delightful driving experience. With top-notch safety features like multiple airbags, traction control, and collision avoidance braking, your peace of mind is guaranteed. Plus, enjoy added styling and security features like privacy glass, roof rails, and a sunroof. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check.